Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I just really wanted to do like a chit chat, you know, get ready with me, where I'm just chilling here doing my makeup, talking about some things. It's just been a crazy time for all of us, but yeah, so I'm just gonna be doing my makeup today. Also, I did decide to stop posting on my like Allyssa makeup Instagram, and I'm solely just gonna be posting on my Instagram like with my name. So that's all gonna be linked in the description if you would like to follow me on there instead of my other one. Yeah, I think that's pretty much all I wanted to say. Let's go ahead and get started. So starting off, I'm just gonna start with my face like normal. So the first thing that I'm gonna be using is the Becca First Light Primer. There's literally nothing in this. That's fun. Alright, let's try this again. So for primer, I'm using the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. This is like the other one that I have. So how's everyone doing in their quarantine stay home order? I know it's like such a crazy time for so many people. I know that personally I'm like going stir crazy staying in my house. I have been lucky enough to be able to go see my boyfriend, which is nice. But I also did have to stop working, so that's kind of the only reason I'm able to see him. Okay, so next moving on to foundation, I'm using my IT Cosmetics CC cream. This is in the shade Light. I really like this. I do want to say though that the colors do run a little bit dark. This is light and this is literally my tan shade. So just putting that out there. I don't know if they've come out with more shades or not, but yeah, these definitely run a little bit darker. I've been watching so much YouTube recently just because of, you know, everything, like trying to find stuff to do. It's just like really been inspiring me. I found a whole bunch of different YouTubers, like new YouTubers that I didn't follow before, and it kind of made me want to like switch my channel not to like just makeup. That's why I switched my Instagram too, because I have a lot more people that I could reach out to on my main Instagram, and when I don't want, like I decided that I don't just want makeup videos. So I figured I would just, you know, switch over to my normal Instagram that I use all the time anyways. Plus it was kind of hard to find like things to post on my makeup Instagram that I didn't already post on my main. And that was like a struggle in having to go back and forth, like posting certain things on this one, on certain things on the other one. It was just kind of like, it made more sense for me to just switch over, because this is something that I feel like I really want to do, and obviously I've talked about that so many times. I figured I would reach more people that way. It's like really hard to grow your channel and like grow your following when like there's so much like that people are doing out there. So many makeup channels, so many, like literally so many YouTube channels in general. So I don't know, we'll see how this goes doing that. But anyways, like I was saying, I've been watching so much YouTube and like finding a lot of helpful videos about like editing and everything, and that's why, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I put an intro in my video now. I learned how to do that. I just found like a lot of different tools and different things that I can do on iMovie and like edit differently and make it more interesting for my viewers, which I'm really excited about. That's what kind of inspired me to, you know, just start up again. Not that I was gonna stop, it's just like now I want to do all these things in my videos and make it more fun for people to watch. I'm really excited about that aspect, because that was like one thing about YouTube that was like one of the hardest things, was editing. Like filming a video and just like doing my makeup is like so easy for me. I do that all the time anyways, but it was just like the editing that was like, oh my gosh, I don't want to do this. Like I'm just being honest, that was like my least favorite part. And now I feel like it's gonna be really fun because I actually know what I'm doing on iMovie, and there's just like so many different ways to be creative, and yeah, I'm really excited to see what I can do. And that's also why I wanted to switch to like lifestyle, also like fashion vlogs and like stuff like that, because I feel like that's also more interesting for people other than just makeup. At least for me, that's what I like to watch too. Like I love to watch makeup videos, but I also like to watch like vlog. I watch vlogs literally every single day. Like I binge watch those. Yeah, I thought that would be fun and something fun for me to do, even like after this quarantine and after everything's over. I just felt like inspired all over again, because sometimes it can get lost and it's hard to find it again. Another thing is, I don't know if you guys subscribe or follow me on Instagram or anything, but my boyfriend is starting a YouTube channel. He has a YouTube channel. He's had it for a long time too, but he just started posting on it again. He does like fishing, hunting, like guns, stuff like that. It's really fun to see what he does in his videos and like how he makes them interesting to watch, and that also inspired me. So I will link his channel in the description bar if you guys want to go watch his videos. We actually did a couples competition shooting thing, and I think another video is went up on Tuesday, because I'm posting this on Friday. Went up on Tuesday of us doing like a tiebreaker, because in the first video we decided to do 6 guns. Didn't really think about what we would do if we tied, so we did a tiebreaker, and yeah, you guys can see who wins. I really like the video. He edited it really cool, so I'm excited to see how that does. Also, I'm sorry if I'm not like mentioning all the products that I'm using. I will put them all in the description bar, because I feel like I'm just gonna be talking and miss some things that I'm using. This whole time is so crazy. Like, I literally, it is awful to see how many people are like dying and getting infected and everything. It's just like so crazy. I'm sure you guys are sick of hearing about it by now, but it's obviously something like that's going on every single day, and we don't really know when it's gonna end, and it's just really scary. I went on spring break a week early. I knew this from the start that my spring break was gonna fall a week before my actual school spring break, so I missed a whole week of school. So I technically got 2 weeks off, and then they ended up canceling. I missed, like, I did not go to school for a long time. Obviously still haven't gone. Obviously closed down everything, which is heartbreaking. I was so upset. I literally wanted to cry, just because like I love being I love having that dorm life and just like being on my own, and plus my boyfriend was there, so it was like nice to have time with him and everything. And it was just like really sad when they said that we had to like move all of our stuff home and couldn't go back until next year. So that was really unfortunate. It made me really, really sad, but everything happens for a reason. Obviously it was not safe for us to go back at all. So I couldn't go get all of my stuff until like literally 3 weeks after I got back from spring break, just because like everything was happening so fast and they weren't letting people come back to the college, and yeah, it was just all like so fast. I can't even remember what happened. Next, for blush, I'm using the Burt's Bees blush in the shade Bare Peach. And then highlight, I'm using the Sephora Golden Hour. This is what it looks like. I'm sorry if the lighting is like all over the place. It's like getting really dark and then really light out, so I miss doing my makeup though. That's like one thing, like when you don't get ready for literally like a month, it's like you forget what you look like with makeup on. Sometimes I've just been doing my makeup for fun and taking it off literally like an hour later. But okay, I just went ahead and did my eyebrows off of camera, and now I really want to move into these 2 palettes from ColourPop. They're like the Kathleen Lights collection. I think I'm gonna use more of this one because I really like the shades in here. I'm just popping Shooting Star into my crease just to kind of start everything off. I really don't want to do anything super intense. Just kind of putting something on the lid. Next, I'm going to take Potion and focus that mainly on the outer corner and blend it into the crease. Okay, so I think that's honestly all I'm going to do for the eye makeup, other than put a shimmer color on the lid. I think I'm gonna take Twinkle and just put that one on the lid for some sparkle. And then I'm gonna put Sweet Dreams in the inner corner and the eyebrow bone. think that is all, so I'm gonna pop on some mascara and probably just some chapstick. I will be right back. What are the odds that literally right when I'm done filming the sun comes out? Honestly, that's literally just my look, but it's fine. So that is the end of the video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I really enjoyed just like talking to you and getting some things out there that I've been wanting to talk about. Oh my gosh, I just realized my light is on. What? I really want to do a video like my first year college experience and like what you need to know and what I didn't know going into college. So if you guys want to see that video, be sure to let me know, like actually let me know in the comments, because I think that would be really, really fun and something that a lot of people would enjoy. I know I'm just rambling at this point, so I am gonna go. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel and put on that notification bell so you can be notified every single time that I upload. I'm gonna be uploading every Friday, by the way, at 12 p.m. Eastern time. So be on the lookout for my videos. I'm so excited. I'm actually vlogging today, so that will be up next week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you all next time. Bye guys.